What's going on, everybody? Rocky here, Autorestyler. Dealing with the 2024 Hyundai Palisade. Now, let's do a little instructional how-to if you're going to be popping doors often. If not, fuck, fast forward. I don't know. It ain't gonna take long, baby. All right, we're gonna do the front and rear. But I want to show you, like, if you're popping doors, you want to look at some obvious things. All right, you want to look all the way around. This one has a reflector, so you want to be careful with that. I'll tell you in a minute. And definitely look on the bottom. If you don't got no screws on the bottom, it's pretty. You can bet that it's going to be pretty fucking easy. Sometimes there's on the front right here, there's a little push clips or screws all the way to the top. Might be something up there. Now this one's got a speaker. Probably some don't come with speakers. I don't know. Now you can either leave this guy alone for now, or you can find out later. So after that, you want to look in here. There's usually a mat. There's usually a screw in there. If there ain't one in here, there's probably one under this fucking door, the switch. So this one has a Phillips. Now there's usually one in here. Now this guy doesn't have any screws on the bottom. So it's saying that it's going to be easy, so there might not be one up here. But check it anyway. So tails, this guy right here, see it? It goes all the way to the edge. Ain't gonna be nothing there. There might be a little pocket sometimes right here. If there's not one, there ain't no screw back there. So dealing with this reflector, sometimes there might be one behind here. You know, since there ain't no screws on the bottom, there might be one there, who knows. But anyway, this one's pretty easy. What I usually do, I grab this panel, I pull the door back a little bit and swing it forward and pop it. Let me see, just like that. All right, this one's easy. A lot of doors do that. If you can't, just put a pry bar underneath. There's a little weld spot right here. You get a pry tool in there. So pop it easily. And if it don't come off right here, then you know you gotta take this reflector off. If it gets stuck somewhere around here, like right where the window switch is at, and you pull the screw out, there might be one behind here, so you might have to pull the window switch out. If it gets stuck around here, this area won't come up no more. This panel right here might come out. Okay, it's very easy. Now this one, after pulling it, see that clip? It goes behind it, but it's easier to get the door panel on because it goes on top of the seal. Can't see shit in here. Get in there. There it is. Now the back door, everything's the same. One in there, pop it. It's got the shade on it, right? You're going to need to pop this guy right here. So not too far up. Just to get it out and get it back in because it goes behind here. Hey, sorry it took long. It's like the longest fucking video I have on my fucking playlist. Hey, y'all keep popping, baby.